A good pair of toe clips can make all the difference when you're riding your Peloton. They can help you keep your feet in place and improve your pedaling efficiency. To help you find the best toe clips for your Peloton, we've put together a list of the 10 best options on the market. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Venzo 3-in-1 Look Delta Toe Cage. The Venzo 3-in-1 bike pedal is a great choice for those who want the versatility of being able to use different types of shoes while riding. The pedal is compatible with Look Delta road cleats, Shimano SPD MTB cleats, and normal sports shoes with toe clips. The pedal is made from strong materials and has a smooth riding feel. The adjustable cage position and cleat tension make it a great choice for those who want a perfect clip in and out experience. The pedal is made in Taiwan and comes with a 2-year warranty. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Mark SPD compatible pedals for stationary bike with toe cage. The Mark SPD compatible pedals for stationary bike with toe cage are specially designed for fitness bikes with users of different levels of expertise. The pedals are made of strong and precision-made aluminum with an extra heavy-duty CRMO 9/16 axle with 3 sealed bearings. The pedals are also SPD compatible and come with Shimano SPD compatible cleats. The pedals have good grips on the platform surface and straps on the top to ensure more riding stability and to keep your feet secured on the pedals while pedaling. At number 3 on our list, we have the Venzo compatible with Peloton Bike and Bike Plus Pedal Toe Clips Cage. The Venzo compatible with Peloton Bike and Bike Plus Pedal Toe Clips Cage with creative removal toolset is a great addition to any spin bike. The cages are specially designed for spin or road bikes with Look Delta style pedals, such as Peloton bikes. The cages are made of enforced engineering heavy-duty plastic and are adjustable to fit a range of foot sizes. The cages can be used with Look Delta style clipless shoes for more efficient energy transfer to pedals, or they can be used to convert the Look Delta style pedals to cage pedals for sneakers. The video instruction is clear and easy to follow. The total weight of the product is 350 grams or 12.3 ounces pair. The product is backed by a 2-year warranty. Made in Taiwan. At number 4 on our list, we have the Cycling Deal Bike Bicycle Toe Clips Cage. The Cycling Deal Bike Bicycle Toe Clips Cage is a great way to convert your Peloton pedals to dual-function pedals for sneakers. The cages are made of strong high-quality alloy for durability and are specially designed for Peloton bikes pedals only. The cage size is 130mm to 145mm x 85mm and the total weight is 350 grams or 12.3 ounces pair. The Cycling Deal Bike Bicycle Toe Clips Cage is a patented product and comes with a 2-year warranty. At number 5 on our list, we have the Bort Toe Cages for Peloton Bike. These adapters are specifically designed for spin bike users, especially Peloton Bike and Peloton Bike Plus members riding with sneakers. They allow teenagers, beginners, and riders who are not ready for cleat system to exercise on Peloton Bike. Bort Toe Cages are supplied by a leading bike pedal manufacturer and are made of heavy-duty polypropylene webbing straps that firmly keep your feet to the pedals. They are easy to switch, with a 3-screw mounting plate design that allows the toe cage to slide along the rail for maximum 20mm (0.79 inches). The diamond-shaped teeth prevent your sneakers sliding on the pedals, making pedaling much easier. Package includes 2x Bort toe cage adapters and 1x Allen wrench for both toe cage position adjustment and installation. At number 6 on our list, we have the Mark Peloton compatible toe cages. Mark Peloton compatible toe cages allow you to pedal with regular sneakers using the clip-on toe cage adapter to Look Delta Peloton pedals and other Look Delta-based pedals for indoor exercise fitness bikes. The toe cage is fully adjustable to fit different shoe sizes and toe box. The shoe straps keep shoes firmly in place after fastening. The 2.5mm Allen key hex wrench is included to easily adjust the toe cage to your preferred size. You can switch between cleats and toe cage by removing the toe cage after use to convert back to the original Look Delta pedal. Or you can clip in the toe cage to the pedal to ride with regular sneakers. The Peloton compatible toe cage is made with reinforced heavy-duty plastic and we stand behind the quality of our products. If you have any product issues, we're very happy to either refund or replace your current item. At number 7 on our list, We have the Mark Peloton compatible toe cages. These cages are designed to allow anyone to ride on the Peloton and other Look Delta pedal exercise bikes with regular sneakers. The cages are fully adjustable to fit different shoe sizes and come with a 2.5mm Allen key hex wrench for easy adjustment. The shoe straps keep shoes firmly in place after fastening. The cages are also fully compatible with Peloton pedals and can be switched between cleats and cages easily. At number 8 on our list, we have the toe cages for Peloton bike and bike. These adapters are specially designed for use with Look Delta style pedals, such as those found on Peloton bikes. Compatible with Peloton Bike and Bike Plus, they allow you to wear your regular shoes while riding, saving you money on expensive cycling shoes. The 3-screw mounting plate design of the toe cage adapters allows for easy adjustment of the toe clip to suit your shoes. The maximum adjustment range is 20mm, so no matter what size feet you have, the adapters will always provide an optimized riding position. Additionally, the 74 anti-skid particle bumps on the adapters help to prevent the toe clip pedals from falling off and straining your foot. Installing the toe cage adapters is a breeze. Just tighten the adapter to your sneakers and clip the adapter into the pedals. With the provided Allen wrench, you can easily release the tension screw on the pedal when needed. The toe cage adapters make your feet feel more comfortable and take the strain out of riding. At number 9 on our list, we have the adjustable pedal adapter pedals toe clips cage. This specially designed pedal allows you to convert your Look Delta pedals to toe clip pedals so you can ride your bike with sneakers. The unique adjustable toe clip position allows every rider to get a very optimized riding position, no matter how big their feet are. The upgraded max adjustment range is 20mm. Made of high-quality hard nylon fiber material, our pedal is super durable and stylish. It's the perfect fit for your Peloton pedals and gives you a great riding experience. Get more different riding experience and more fun with our pedal adapter. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Impeslin toe cages for Peloton bike. Peloton bike pedals adapters are specially designed for users of Peloton Bike and Bike Plus. You only need to purchase Peloton pedals adapters to convert the Look Delta pedals into ours, and then you can put on your shoes, ride on the Peloton bike and start exercising. Note: only compatible with Peloton Bike and Bike Plus, not compatible with pedals of other brands. Impeslin Peloton pedals product adopts a straps design, an adjustable toe clip to suit your shoes, and the maximum adjustment range is 17mm. No matter how big the rider's feet are, it will always provide the rider with a very optimized riding posture. Note: you can use a 3mm Allen key, included, to adjust the toe position to fit your shoe size. The toe cages for Peloton bike are made of high-strength aluminum alloy material, which is light and durable. The surface is anodized to increase the wear resistance of the product and make it not easy to be scratched. The exercise bike pedals are adopted 74 anti-skid particle bumps to increase the anti-skid force area and reduce the occurrence of breakage when riding. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.